Good morning, students. Today we will continue our chapter part 2, which is diversity. Today we will read about diversity in India and how these diversities enrich our lives and make our country so unique and special. As all of you know very well that India is a country of many diversities. We speak different languages, have various types of food, celebrate different festivals and practice different religions. But yet, we are all Indians. And following reasons will help us to know that which differences enrich our lives. So our first point is geographical diversity. India is a diverse country. There are mountains, plains, ranges, lands and long lines of coast surrounded by seas and oceans. The climate, vegetation, flora and fauna of these areas are different, and because of this difference, India brings diversity in the dressing sense, eating food, habits and festivals, etc. Our second point is different cultures. People traveled from one part of the world to another by the different means of communication. The earlier people went in search of new lands to settle in or for people to trade with. They stayed there at new place. These migrants developed a new culture. Their languages, food, music, religions became a mix of the old and the new. And out of this intermixing of cultural, for example, in terms of clothes, in a Hindu family, males wear dhoti kurta while females wear sari. Muslims wear kurta pajama and lungi, whereas females wear burqa. Punjabi males keep pagdi or turban on his head and females wear salwar kameez with a dupatta. Kashmiris wear a long woolen kurta which is called firan because there is too cold in mountain region and firan keeps them warm. Our next point is religious diversity. Only India is the one nation which is having so many religions. It is the birthplace of Hindus, Buddhism, Sikhism, Jainism and so on. The method of worship is different, but each teaches the same thing. All religions are equal before the eyes of law. So our country is a secular country. Our next point is caste system. Earlier, our society was divided into different groups according to the nature of work. This was the main reason of inequality in India. But now, government is taking necessary steps to away it. Our next point is diversity in languages. People speak different languages in India. This is called linguistic diversity. There are 22 officially recognized languages mentioned in our constitution, and Hindi is our national language, but English is used for official purposes. In fact, there are 1,652 languages and dialects in India, and this includes 63 non-Indian languages. Dialects का meaning, this is a form of a language that is spoken in one area of a country. जैसे तमिलनाडु में तमिल लैंग्वेज बोली जाती है, असम में असमी बोली जाती है, उन्हें डायलेक्ट्स कहा जाता है. थैंक यू.